There's some farting going around my chute, reaching the butthole, and I think it's very hard. Yesterday I ate my lima beans, and since then I've been grinding all my teeth. I will surrender with just another fart. I know it's raunchy, but I know we all love that. There is a strange noise coming from my butt, blowing some sound that alert me of the fact. The poop is coming, I can feel it, trembling stronger, it could be a false alarm. The poop is coming, it leaves me restless, I love the feeling, I think it's coming. I've been rolling in the poop, you can't stop the pooping, but I love it, I deserve it. My poop is soft and very smelly too, but all I want is to take a little sniff. I think my master is going to be mad because I ate some and painted a mustache. It's so tasty, I enjoy it, it keeps me healthy, I might just have it all. I will roll in it, warm and smelly, sherry is creamy, I think it's coming up. I've been rolling in the poop, you can't stop the pooping, but I crave it, there's no shame, I think it's coming up. I've been rolling in the poop, you can't stop the pooping, but I crave it, yes I crave it. I am happy, it all came out just fine. Counting the crappies, I think I lost count. Through my butthole, the tension is released. The pain is worth it, I think I found the dye. I might just poop it out. I might just poop it out. Yes, oh, yes, oh, yes, oh. I think it's coming up. I've been rolling in the poop, you can't stop the pooping, but I crave it, yes I crave it, I think it's coming up. I've been rolling in the poop, you can't stop the pooping, but I crave it, crave it, crave it, and you will crave it too. Nice bouquet.